How to add multiple photos or videos in a single Instagram story. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to add multiple photos or videos in a single Instagram story. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you gotta do is to go to your Play Store and type in Instagram. Now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you may want to go back to your home page and open Instagram. Now, here on Instagram, you will be directed to your home page. So what you may want to do is on the upper right, you will see the messenger icon and the plus icon. You click on the plus icon there and then set it to story. Now, on the bottom part, you will see the your gallery there. You click on that and choose the video that you want to put. So on Instagram, you cannot actually add multiple videos. So I highly recommend you to put the video first, then the pictures, because you could add multiple photos on Instagram story, but not videos. So to add multiple photos is on the upper part of the story or of your phone. You will see the sticker icon. Click on that and scroll all the way down till you see this plus sign here, and then you click on that and you will be able to add photos of your choice. So let's just scroll all the way down here. So you want to add this one, just put it there and then do the same thing again. Then pick a photo and then all you have to do is click on next, and basically that is how you add multiple photos or videos in a single Instagram story. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.